We have all seen the advice on health and diet. The don't eat this, only eat that, and what is considered to be healthy. We all know what cholesterol is, right? Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Jaxom Talks channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has a reputation problem. You've probably heard it described as a villain, a silent killer, or just something you should avoid at all costs. I'm talking about cholesterol. But what if I told you that cholesterol is not the enemy? Did you know that cholesterol is essential for your body to function? We all hear about the dangers of high cholesterol, but what does it actually do and why do we need it? The problem isn't cholesterol itself, it's the impact that one kind can have when the overall metabolic system is not healthy. Today, we're going to break down the science, separate fact from fiction, and give you the real story of this misunderstood molecule. So let's start with a simple definition. Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance that is found in all the cells in your body. It's not a fat itself, but it's a sterol, which means it has a very specific chemical structure. Your body uses it to perform a number of essential functions, and it can make all the cholesterol it needs on its own, primarily in the liver. We also get some cholesterol from the food we eat, but for most people, the liver is the main factory. Think of cholesterol as one of the necessary building materials for the body. You wouldn't build a house without the bricks or timber. Likewise, your body can't function without cholesterol. The key is balance, having your whole system in a good condition. This allows cholesterol to undertake its function correctly, but not allow it to build up in places it shouldn't. Before we get to its darker reputation, let's appreciate cholesterol for the hero it truly is. First, it's a crucial component of cell membranes. Every single one of your trillions of cells is enclosed by a membrane that protects it and controls what goes in and out. Cholesterol is embedded within these membranes, giving them the flexibility and structure they need to work properly. Second, cholesterol is the building block for some of your most important hormones. We're talking about testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. These are the chemical messengers that regulate everything from your mood and energy levels to reproduction and stress response. Third, your body uses cholesterol to make vitamin D. Exposure to sunlight activates a type of cholesterol in your skin, which is then converted into vitamin D, which, as we know, is essential for bone health and your immune system. Finally, cholesterol helps your digestive system by creating bile acids. These acids are stored in your gallbladder, where they are released to help your body absorb fats and the fat-soluble vitamins from the food you eat. They help us digest fats and nutrients like vitamin A, D, E, and K. Without cholesterol, we wouldn't be able to break down and absorb these essential nutrients, which could lead to malnutrition and other health problems. Cholesterol is also an important component of our brain and nervous system. It is a major component of myelin, which is a fatty substance that surrounds and protects nerve cells. Myelin helps to insulate nerve fibers and allows for the rapid transmission of nerve impulses. This is crucial for proper brain function and the coordination of bodily activities. Finally, cholesterol is an essential component of our adrenal hormones, which are responsible for regulating a wide range of bodily functions, including stress response, metabolism, and sexual function. Without cholesterol, our adrenal glands wouldn't be able to produce these vital hormones, leading to a host of physical and psychological problems. So, as you can see, cholesterol is far from a villain. It's a foundational component of life itself. So, if it's so good for us, why does it have such a bad reputation? This is where the story gets a little more complicated. Cholesterol is a waxy substance and it doesn't mix with blood, which is watery. So in order to travel through your bloodstream, it needs a ride. It hitches a ride on special protein packages called lipoproteins. As most of us are aware, there are two main types of cholesterol. First, you have low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. This is the one that is often called bad cholesterol. Think of LDL as a delivery mechanism. Its job is to transport cholesterol from the liver to the cells that need it. This is a good thing, but when the LDL is circulating in your bloodstream, they can start to deposit in the wrong places, like on the walls of your arteries. The real question is, why does the LDL stick to the arteries to begin with? Think of your arteries like a copper pipe and the LDL like some gloss paint. If you apply it direct to the pipe, it will not stick to the smooth surface, right? So what do? We take some sandpaper and rough the surface up to allow it to bind on. That is what has happened to the walls of the arteries. They have been roughed up by the poor diet and general fitness levels from modern life. This allows the LDL to undertake one of its key roles, the repair of damaged structures. However, one of the side effects is a possible buildup of plaque that can cause life-threatening conditions. Then you have high-density lipoprotein, or HDL. This is the one that is called good cholesterol. HDL acts like a cleanup crew. Its job is to scavenge excess cholesterol from the arteries and other parts of the body and transport it back to the liver to be recycled or removed. A higher level of HDL is a good thing because it helps keep your arteries clean. So, when they talk about healthy cholesterol levels, the medical industry are really talking about a healthy balance based on their medication controls, low LDL and high HDL. The real danger of cholesterol comes when LDL attaches to damaged areas and is not removed by the HDL. Over time, that excess cholesterol, along with other substances, can start to build up on the inner walls of your arteries. This buildup forms what is called plaque, and as it grows, it narrows your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow through. Think of it like a fatberg building up in a wastewater pipe or a sewer. The blood flow is restricted, which can lead to problems like high blood pressure. Even worse, if that plaque ruptures, it can trigger a blood clot to form, which can completely block the artery. If this happens in an artery supplying the heart, it causes a heart attack. If it happens in an artery supplying the brain, it causes a stroke. This is why high cholesterol is considered a major risk factor and is considered one of the leading causes of death worldwide. However, is it the real smoking gun? This fear of cholesterol has led to unnecessary and even harmful measures being taken to avoid it. Many people have eliminated all sources of animal fat from their diets, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. The good news is that we have a lot of control over our cholesterol levels. While genetics play a role for some people, lifestyle choices are a huge factor. Quitting smoking has been shown to improve all metabolic markers, including impacts from cholesterol. Diet is key. Limiting foods high in trans fats and added sugars like ultra-processed foods can help lower the impact of LDL. Eating a balanced whole food diet that has been shown in recent studies to improve all markers of metabolic health. Having a diet rich in soluble fiber, like oats, beans and healthy fats, those found in unprocessed meats, avocados, olive oil, fish and nuts, can help improve your cholesterol levels. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools. Regular physical activity can help you maintain your LDL and HDL levels. Did you know that your gut microbiome plays a really significant role in determining your cholesterol levels? Recent studies have shown that the trillions of bacteria that reside in your gut can influence how your body absorbs and metabolizes cholesterol. In fact, certain gut bacteria can produce enzymes that help break down cholesterol, leading to lower levels in the bloodstream. By understanding the link between gut health and cholesterol levels, we may be able to develop new strategies for managing cholesterol and reducing the overall risk of heart disease. Additionally, some people have been advised to take or have been prescribed drugs like statins in order to lower their cholesterol levels, even when it's not medically necessary. Statins can have serious side effects, including muscle pain, liver damage, and an increased risk of diabetes. Statins have been shown to have an effect on helping to control cholesterol levels and reduce the risk where people have had a heart attack or stroke. If you want additional information on statins, then please check out my video on this subject. Overall, as you can see, cholesterol is involved in a wide range of essential bodily functions. Rather than viewing it as a harmful substance, we should appreciate its many benefits and take steps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels through a balanced diet and lifestyle. So there you have it. Cholesterol isn't the simple villain we've been told. In conclusion, cholesterol is a vital component of our cells and is necessary for many essential metabolic functions. While high levels of LDL cholesterol have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, it's important to remember, cholesterol is necessary for life and that we should strive for a balanced approach to diet and lifestyle that takes into account the many benefits of this essential nutrient. By understanding the different types of cholesterol and how to impact your cholesterol levels, we can make informed decisions about our diet and lifestyle to maintain healthy levels and reduce our risk of cardiovascular disease and strokes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and well-being content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.